All right, back again. We got the transmission range selector. We got the whole unit. It comes with a new bushing, and as you can see, this one is yeah, it's just, as you can see, its bushing is completely missing. So I believe you just turn this around, and what we're going to do is we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and see if we can pry up on that clip, these two notches, or just pry up on one side, and it probably should just come right out. And then install this one and push it on a new bushing. I'm gonna make sure that there's no oil or any contamination on this one, or on top of the transmission, where the bushing is supposed to seat, on top of this part here. Let me get a flathead screwdriver. Let me see if I can pry at this. We'll see if we have some luck. All right, I gently pried on the left and the right parts of this clip, and as you can see, it is loose now. Let's see if it'll come up. Just be real careful because you don't want to break nothing. I probably need to continue to pry with the flathead. Let's see if we can do this. There we go. All right, she's out. I'm gonna open up the new part, and we're gonna slide her on there. Ever so slightly, just pull it out. Just worn out. This age will do that, huh? All right. Let's see if we can get her suited up. All right, got this cleaned off pretty much, and got the new part side by side. So I'm gonna take this, put the clip on it so it can latch on, and then we're gonna lock it in place. And there was no grease on this part. I was just gonna make sure everything was nice and clean, but let's go ahead and dial it in. All right, y'all, she's dialed in, and basically you just line everything up, and it literally, this clicks into place. You'll know it's all the way seated when you hear it click. And that's the most simplest repair. It's just best to just go ahead and buy the original equipment and get another 11 years possibly. All right, that's the transmission range selector replacement. Yeah, you can do a grommet, but I don't know how compromised that plastic is. I don't know how worn it is. I just went ahead and just made life easier. Let's just buy a new one and not think about it no more. All right, y'all have a good one. Scott Bot out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.